Good day, my dear children. Module number 6, Explorers and Inventors. The theme of our lesson is revision lesson. Learning objectives: revise all the lexical and grammar material for unit number 6, Explorers and Inventors, and consolidate our knowledge. Now let's start. Task number 1, vocabulary. Look, read and number. Visit, cave, dive, footprint, discover, rock, scream. You have some minutes and we will check up. Good luck. Okay, now let's check up. A. The first, visit. B. The second, it is a cave. C. The third, he is a diver. D. The fourth, footprint. E. 5, discover. F. The sixth, it is a rock. And G. The seventh, scream. Okay, very well. Task number 2, write the missing months. We have February, April, May, August, October and November. Your task is to put the missing months. Okay, you have some minutes. Now let's check up. Our missing months are January, March, June, July, September, and December. Well done. Let's rest and consolidate our knowledge by months.
January,
January,
February,
February,
March,
March,
April,
April,
May,
May,
June,
June,
July,
July,
August,
August,
September,
September,
October,
October,
November,
November,
December,
December.
Now you try.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Very well, now let's continue. Task number 3, the first part. Read the text and answer the questions. My birthday is on the 5th of August. On my last birthday, I had a big party. My friends arrived at 6 o'clock. They gave me lots of presents and cards. We ate pizza and burgers and drank orange juice. Then I blew out the candles on my cake, and they all sang Happy Birthday to me. It was a great birthday. By Nurlibek. Now please answer these questions. When is Nurlibek's birthday? When did his friends arrive? What did they give him? What did they eat? Which song did they sing to Nurlibek? You have some minutes. Now let's check up. When is Nurlibek's birthday? On the 5th of August. When did his friends arrive? At 6 o'clock. What did they give him? They gave him lots of presents and cards. What did they eat? They ate pizza and burgers. Which song did they sing to Nurlibek? They sang Happy Birthday. Good job. Task number 3, the second part. Read the text and find the verbs in past simple. You have some minutes, then we will check up your answers. Let's check up. My birthday is on the 5th of August. On my last birthday, I had a big party. The verb had. My friends arrived at 6 o'clock. The verb arrived. They gave me lots of presents and cards. The verb gave. We ate pizza and burgers and drank orange juice. There we have two verbs, ate and drank. Then I blew out the candles on my cake and they all sang Happy Birthday to me. There we have two verbs, to, blew out and sang. It was a great birthday. The verb was. Thank you. Now let's look at the picture. What is it? Rock, footprint, cave. Yes, it is a footprint. Choose the right answer. I to the cinema yesterday. Went, go, did. Yes, the verb went. Look, read and complete. We, football yesterday. Play, played, plays. You are brilliant, played. Look at the picture. What is the name of this man? Mr. Bell, Marco Polo, Dr. Brown. Yes, he is Marco Polo. Look at the picture. Who was Marco Polo? An inventor, a diver, an explorer. You are right. Yes, he is an explorer. Read and complete. Look at. I can dive. He, me, you. Yes, look at me. I can dive. Correct the sentence. Use the past simple tense. There we have a question. You, Nurjan, yesterday. Do you visit? Did you visit? Did you visit it? Be attentive. Yes, did you visit Nurjan yesterday? Now let's finish our lesson. There we have a feedback. Быстро время пролетело, и идет к концу урок, так давайте без задержки подведем всему итог. Please choose any smile. Green smile, I am brilliant. Yellow smile, I will try to do better. Red smile, I am sad. It was very difficult for me. Okay, the lesson is over. Goodbye. Have a nice day.